The main focus of workout 11 in the Active Start program is aerobic conditioning and muscular strengthening. You should expect this workout to take roughly 36 minutes. In terms of equipment for block one, you will need access to a bike. However, you could use another implement, set of stairs, an elliptical machine, a treadmill, if you didn't have access to a bike, but this workout is preferably completed on a bike. For the second block, you'll need some form of external resistance to complete the squat to press. This could be a set of implements that are held in two hands, like a pair of dumbbells or kettlebells, or it could be something like a bar. And in the third block, just you need some space to complete the sun salutation exercise. The target intensity for this workout is moderate, so you should be working an RPE between 6 and 7. We refer you to our RPE instructional video for more information on RPE. Some tips to consider to be successful as follows. In the first block, you see that you're assigned 3 minutes of work at a moderate RPE, followed immediately by 1 minute of work at a low RPE, and you have to complete that for 4 rounds. The assignment in this case is on RPE. So your intensity or the resistance, if you're on a bike, the resistance that you set and the cadence that you hold is going to need to elicit that RPE of between 6 and 7. If across the 3 minutes in one round, in one given round, you feel like your RPE is too low, then it's up to you. You can either keep the same cadence or increase the resistance or do a combination of two. Whatever the case is, you want to make it harder. If within a given round or even across the 4 rounds, you feel that cadence and resistance that you chose in an earlier round is starting to get really hard and your RP is starting to creep up, then you want to adjust it so you maintain that moderate RPE. It's important that you maintain 3 minutes of work throughout all of the rounds. In the second block for the squat to press, you're assigned 10 repetitions. So first and foremost, it's important that for across all the rounds, you're able to complete the 10 repetitions in one set without breaking the set up. So you'll have to make a wise resistance selection from the first set, but potentially adapt across rounds if you feel that you're fatiguing and can't complete 10 repetitions. You also have an option to modify the rest between rounds for any given load. So if you rest longer, any given load that you select is going to be more manageable in a subsequent round because you're more recovered. So you can make that judgment yourself, whether increasing the rest or decreasing the load is the right way to go if you feel your RP is creeping up too high. And for the last round for the sun salutation, take your time. There's no rush. Move deliberately into the different positions of the sun salutation, especially find positions and angles that are specific to your hotspots, if you will, and don't rush. Take your time. We hope you enjoyed this workout.